Hi there, this is Michael Kies. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're really enjoying it and taking advantage of all the opportunities that we have in this wonderful world of real estate. Because today you're going to find out how to persuade like you've never known before, especially with listings and negotiating sales. First, I must warn you that this is to be used in the best interest of the parties involved and not to deceive or to manipulate anybody. The problem that society faces today is that every salesperson you speak to has been trained to get you into the yes momentum. And unless you really want to buy something, this yes momentum technique drives you to say no, because that's the only way you can take back control. When you use what I'm about to share with you, you'll be amazed at how people open up to you. And the way to do this is to start with no. And that's asking for your clients to tell you no right at the beginning of either the listing presentation or the negotiation. Now, I can hear what you're thinking. I can hear what you're saying. Is he crazy? I'm not going to start with no. That's just stupid. But once you've learned how to use this correctly, you will be amazed at the results it will bring you. So when you arrive at the listing appointment, just say, I don't know if what I do is going to fit in with your plans on how you'd like to sell your property and get happily moved. And if it doesn't, just tell me, because you wouldn't want to make the wrong decision and get the wrong agent, would you? And they're just going to say no. And if it's not right, we'll just part friends. Use this in any negotiation you go into. It's absolutely beautiful. Then move on to your listing presentation and you'll find that these people will really open up to you and you will build great rapport. It's like when the phone prospector calls trying to sell you discount electricity. And after they botch your name, their whole goal is to get you to say yes. Yes, 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 yes. And finally, you get so sick of it, you want to take back control. So what do you say? No. And you get rid of them. And by saying no, you've taken back that control. And that's what people want. They want to feel in control. And by you getting them to say no early, they feel in control and comfortable and they like and trust you. When you show people you're not perfect, they relate to you. So share a story at the beginning that shows how you're just like them. If you'd like to find out more about how to get more listings and make more sales, then go to www.michaelkies.com.au. Wishing you the very best. Until next time, this is Michael Kies.